but just this right here.
Hey everyone, just wanted to shoot a quick video on all the power mods I've got on this 2011 Porsche Boxster Spyder. There's been a lot of questions on a lot of the videos here, so I wanted to shoot one and for all and go over it all. Starting with the flywheel, I've got an AASCO lightweight flywheel on the car. I'll have everything on the power mods linked in the description below. I've partnered with Vivid Racing, and they've been so kind to extend a discount to all my viewers who use the links in the description below. It's not going to save you thousands, but it might save you hundreds. You know, a lot of these Porsche parts are in the thousands of dollars, and a little percentage can go a long way. You'll never see me step over $100 in the ground ever. So, you know, I know it's not going to be, saving up on a mortgage, but like I said, a little goes a long way. Additionally, I've got the Dundon intake runners on the car. They're absolutely amazing. I love them. They're on the screen right now. They're pretty expensive. I also have a video on how to install that. On top of that, I've got the BMC air filter, and then after that, we've got the catless headers on the car from FabSpeed. Everything is linked below, so if you want your car like mine, everything is down there. You can totally recreate it. And after that, you're gonna need a custom dyno tune from your local tuner. So we increased the RPM to 7,600 RPM. And once it's all together, you're gonna have around 380 to maybe like 400 horsepower in the car. You know, I'm not really after a dyno number here, but instead, I really wanted to make the car run as smooth as possible and go from there. So like I mentioned, you're going to get a custom dyno tune to bring all this together. I do not have a IPD plenum on the car. My tuner said with the Dundon intake runners, the BMC air filter, the stock throttle body, and the stock plenum, the catless race headers, like the piston, this engine, the 3.4 liter, is pretty much at max suck for getting air in. You know, like any more intake, it's not going to help the car out. So I'm actually going to work on a configuration where we're going to do the stock plenum on the car, the IPD race plenum, the throttle body, and a FabSpeed Motorsport intake. To save you some money. I know the Dundons are a little expensive to buy, so I wanted to have that option. So I have a lot of more free time in my day to do a lot of this tests. You know, I've wanted to do this stuff for a very long time. I absolutely love this car. It's been an absolute dream to own. All I've done is just oil changes, tires, and gas. So yeah, those are the power mods in the car. One of my favorite things was the flywheel. I would put that on every single car I have. It has the stock clutch. Just keep in mind that when you go do a flywheel, a lightweight flywheel, it's just gonna amplify your manual driving techniques. So if you're a bad manual driver with heel, toe, and rev matching, you're gonna be worse. If you're a good driver, you're gonna be even better. So with that being said, totally drivable. I'm sure you guys have seen the video of the flywheel out there. And yeah, so let's go hand the camera over to our tamed racing driver, do a little pull, show you what the car sounds like. And so we're here in the 2011 Porsche Boxster Spyder 97.2. Absolutely love this car. 6-speed manual, race bucket, carbon seats. I'm gonna show you what the exhaust is like on this car. I'm also gonna go over all the power mods we've put on here. This is a full Dundon intake runners on the car, as well as an air filter, catless headers, and stock throttle body and plenum. So let me show you how this thing rips. What I love about this is when you go to rev it with the exhaust off, quiet, ready? Check this out. Fortunately, I have brand new Cup 2 tires, so there's no more sliding. check it out, ready? Exhaust off. We're gonna do a little rev match. Nothing. Second, nothing. I love this setup. When you get the headers with the stock PSC exhaust from Porsche Sport exhaust, you get the best combo. So let me show you. So now we'll turn the exhaust on. This car has a lightweight flywheel on it as well. So everything that's on this car is going to be linked in the description below of the video. I'd really appreciate it, you know, maybe if not today or tomorrow, if you're not ready to buy these parts yet, you actually use the links. So I partnered with Vivid Racing, and they're really gonna help out my channel with a little bit of a kickback. They're gonna help you guys out with the discount, and the manufacturer gets to sell their parts. I'm not here to push any product. If I have it on my car and I like it, you know, I'll advocate it. And if I don't like it, then I don't advocate it. You know, I think the car speaks for itself. But yeah, you know, I'm not gonna ask for any handouts here or any super thanks or any Patreon supporters, but you know, if you wanna buy an exhaust for your car or a flywheel or these intake runners, man, I'd really appreciate it if you use those links down below. It would go a long way. It's not gonna save you thousands, but it'll save you a few $100. At least free shipping, no taxes, nice little bonus and a little perk. Like I mentioned, these are brand new tires, Michelin Cup 2s, unfortunately. So our sliding days are over. It's just way too grippy. Even when I try it, ready? We got a little bit. I guess we found the train. I'm gonna say, fuck this train. We're going back to Kansas. Dude, this thing sounds so fucking good. You get a little reverb around here, and you get a little micro Carrera GT sound right there. A little bit of a howl. I love that. Where should we go? Oh my God, feels good. It's around 380 horsepower, maybe 400. Depending on the dyno loss that you want to use and calculate, it's between 50 and 20%. But just this right here. Got the Cup car cables from Numeric on here. Full suspensions on the car. I had it in another video. Maybe on your screen right now, it might show up on where to click for that. And yeah, I mean, let's look at this. The vistas out in the countryside. You got your manual Porsche. If you have any recommendations on what's a really good tire that has a nice stiff sidewall but limited grip, let me know. That's what I want to buy. You know, I love the Cup too for its sidewall, but it's just too grippy when it's brand new. I'll show you right now on the screen what the tires looked like when they came off the car. You know, now as you come down to a, a stop, just that howl. This is so good. It's so good. Damn, it's so good. Let these cars pass. Easy over the crests. Uphill. Yeah, thanks for watching. Again, would love it if you guys use the links below. I've never really wanted to push products, so if you want to do to your car, amazing. If not, no worries at all. I think the videos have spoken for themselves, over the months and weeks. And it's just an opportunity to help you guys save some money, help my channel make a little bit of money, help support the hobby, and it helps the manufacturer too. So if you have any questions, like I mentioned, ask down below, and really appreciate all the support, and we'll see you next time.